How can I check the syntax of Python script without executing it? I used to use Perl C program file to check the syntax of a Perl program and then exit without executing it. Is there an equivalent way to do this for a Python script?
You can check the syntax by compiling it.
You can use these tools: PyChecker, PyFlakes, Pylint.
Save this as checker.py and run python checker.py yourprofile.py.
Here's another solution using the AST module to do it cleanly from within a Python script.
PyFlakes does what you ask, it just checks the syntax. From the docs. PyFlakes makes a simple promise: it will never complain about style, and it will try very, very hard to never emit false positives. PyFlakes is also faster than Pylint or PyChecker. This is largely because PyFlakes only examines the syntax tree of each file individually. To install and use.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.